Then in this video we are going to able to understand about the email module. For that we'll click on the email menu option, then we'll visit on this page, and here we get the email group option. We'll click on it, then here we will put the email group name, then we'll click on the save option. Once we'll click on the save option, we will able to see our email group front of our screen, and here we can see the name. Then here we get some option. First is the edit option. Once we'll click on it, then we will able to update our email group name. Then we have the delete option. From here we can delete our this email group. Then we have this green plus icon. We'll click on it, then here we can add our email. We have, once we'll click on the SMTP, then here we have some SMTP option. Then if we don't want to go with this option, then we have the other option also. We'll click on it, then here we can put the details of our email. Then first of all we'll put the name, then we will put the valid username and valid password, then the port number and a valid domain name also. Then if we don't want to go with the other option, then we have the email. We can just set, and we will just put a valid name, valid username and valid password. This is how we will add a email. Then we have the map email option. Once we will click, then we can add map a email from another group to this group. We will just right click and click on the apply option. Then we have the email list option. We can check the email those are available into this group. So once we will click, then this email we have available into this group. Then we have the two options. One, we can delete this email. Then another option is the edit option. Once we'll click, then from here we can update this email. Now we are going to understand how we will map this email with the agent. So first of all we will click on the agent menu, then we will click on the agent group. Then here we will get this pop-up. Then here we will put the agent group name. Now we will set a strategy, then we will put the wrap up time. Then here we will set the DID group. We will select, then we will select the email group. So I'm going with this email group. So as many email will be available into this email group, I will able to assign with the agent. Now I am going to click on the save option. Now here we can see the agent group name. Then here we get some option. So first is the edit option. Once we will click, then we can update the details. Then we have the delete option. From here we can delete this agent group. Then we have this green plus icon. Once we will click, then we will able to add our agent. So first we will put the username, then we will put the password, then we will put the full name of our agent. Then we will select skill level, then we will set the wrap up time for this agent. Then we will select email. So I'm going to select this. Then we will set calendar and DID numbers. Then we'll click on the save option. This is how we will add an agent. Then we have the fourth option, which is for the supervisor agent. So from here we can add supervisor also, and supervisor can monitor all the agents. Then we have the map of switch agent option. So from here we can switch the agent from another group to this group. Then we have the option of agent list option. From here we can check all the agents those are available into this group. Then we have the option, after that we have the option of multiple agents option. So from here we can create multiple agents. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in with this user. So I'm going to log in. Once we will log in, we will click on the ready to accept option. Now we will start getting calls. Then we get the email option. Here we will just click and select the email, and during the call we can use this option, and we can send an email during the call also. we will put the email where we want to send mail. Then here we will put the subject, then the email message, then you will send. Here you will get the pop-up message sent. Then you will click on the profile, and here you will get the mail option. You will click, then here you will get your name, then you will click on it, then here you will click on the send menu. Then here you can see your mail, which is unread right now. We will click and we will read the mail, and here we can check the details. Again, if you will click, then here you can see once we read, then we will get this status. If after the call also, if you want to send a mail, so you will visit on the same page, and here you will get the compose option. You will click on it, then here again you will put the email, then you will put the subject and your message, and you will send. And here you will get, again you will click on the send menu, and you will get your mail here. And from here you can check your mails, and using this compose option you can get this pop-up, and from here you can send mail. So this is the all about email module. Thank you so much.